Hello everyone, in this video I will compare TradeZella and TraderVue. TradeZella and TraderVue may seem alike since both helps traders track and analyze their trades, but they serve different roles. TradeZella is a comprehensive trading journal platform designed to help traders enhance their performance through detailed analytics and automated journaling. It offers seamless integration with over 500 brokers, including MetaTrader 4 or 5, TradingView, and interactive brokers, allowing for effortless tracking of trades and strategies. The platform provides in-depth reports on various metrics such as win rate, risk-to-reward ratio, and trade expectancy, enabling traders to identify patterns and refine their strategies. Additionally, TradeZella features a playbook builder for creating and testing trading setups, as well as a trade replay functions to review past trades in real market conditions. The user-friendly interface and cloud-based access making it convenient for traders to log in and analyze their trades from anywhere. While the platform is praised for its robust features and ease of use, some users have noted that pricing may be higher compared to other journaling tools. TraderVue is a comprehensive trading journal and analytics platform designed to help traders track, analyze, and improve their trading performance. It supports various asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, and forex, and integrates with over 80 brokers for seamless trade import. The platform offers detailed reports on metrics such as win rate, profit or loss, and trade duration, allowing traders to identify patterns and refine their strategies. Users can add notes to trades, categorize them with custom tags, and share their journals with mentors or peers for feedback. The dashboard is customizable, enabling traders to focus on the metric that matters most to them. While the platform is user-friendly, some users may experience a learning curve when transitioning from spreadsheets to a more feature-rich interface. Overall, TraderVue is better for detailed trade analysis and journaling, while TradeZella focuses more on integrated trading metrics and playbook creation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.